This is rush hour in Suzhou, China. Crazy amount of people, huh? I feel like a pig on a farm. You have to go around and around and around all these little metal barriers to get anywhere. Pretty crazy. And there are just way too many people. You have no idea. Hello. Wow. Rush hour in China. Look at that. And they don't stop coming. This is at the train station. Between the train station and subway. a non-stop rush of people. It's the first day of the May holiday though, so what do you expect? Everyone's trying to go home or leave.